Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Pakistani Girl in USA. Today we are diving into a very important topic, that is freelancing foundation, turning your skills into dollars. Whether you are in Lahore, Karachi or anywhere around the globe, this guide is made for you. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you about what is freelancing. A freelancer is an independent contractor who works on per project or task basis, often short term, and is not bound to a single employer. Freelancing versus traditional work. You choose the project, set your rates and work hour. You are your own boss, but you also manage everything from business strategy to client relationships. Now we will talk about what freelancing offers, the benefits. Autonomy and flexibility. Choose your clients' hours and rate of work, adaptable to your life and lifestyle needs. Second one is variety and growth. Engage in diverse projects across industries, ideal for building a robust, adaptable skill set. Third one is income potential, especially in USD. Set competitive rates as your reputation grows, so can your earning. Many freelancers surpass traditional salary ceiling. No commute, more work life balance, eliminate travel time, tailor your schedule around family needs, and possibly avoid fixed hours. If you are a complete beginner and want to launch your freelancing career from Pakistan, here is a detailed step by step guide that tailored for you in 2025. Then, first of all, you have to set your goals clear and pick a niche. Define your path, decide if freelancing is a side hustle or full time goal, plan growth, milestone like your first client, monthly income, and target earning. Then choose a niche. Specialize in areas where there is a client demand, such as content writing, SEO, blogging, graphic or UI UX design, web development, WordPress, Shopify, or digital marketing, PPC, social media. Narrow focus give you credibility. Learn and practice. Use free or affordable resources. DigiSkills.pk government funded freelancing courses like virtual assistant, digital marketing, SEO, and creative writing. eRozgar Hash and FTP training provided by Punjab IT bodies on freelancing and digital skills. You have to practice daily, create mock projects or personal project, write articles, design logos, build sample websites. These become your portfolio. You have to build a strong portfolio even without client work. Showcase 4 to 6 mock projects with clear description, tools used and outcomes. Use Balance, Dribble, Google Drive or a simple free personal website. Optionally, volunteer or offer low cost work to local businesses or non-profit to get real samples and testimonials. Set up on the freelance platforms. Register on Fiverr, Upwork, and optionally freelancer people per hour, Guru, or LinkedIn, showcasing services in your niche. Complete your profile meticulously. Professional picture, compelling bio, keyword rich headlines, listed skill, portfolio links, proofread for grammar and polish. SEO helps visibility. Link the payment method like Payoneer, Elevate Pay, or Bank Freelancer account. These are widely used in Pakistan. Define your pricing and identity. Start with modest rates, $5 to $15 per order on Fiverr, how hourly rate on Upwork to build reviews. Increase rates gradually over time. You don't need formal certification. Set your pricing based on marketing research and client value. Apply and pitch with care. Apply daily to jobs you are confident in. Write custom proposals, address client needs, highlight relevant experience, and invite further discussion. Avoid copy paste. On Fiverr, craft quick descriptions that clearly explain your services, outcomes you deliver, and include engaging visuals or a thumbnail video. Market yourself and network, share content or help in LinkedIn groups, Reddit, Facebook, or other Nike communities. Provide value first, then share your freelancing link. Clients may come from your engagement. Build a LinkedIn presence, showcasing your expertise, portfolio, and use targeted outreach to potential clients. Manage finances and legal basics. Get officially registered as a freelancer under PSEB or Tech Destination to pay reduce tax 0.25% instead of standard rates. Maintain a bank freelancer account, for example, Bank of Punjab or UBL with dual currency, USD/PKR, and ensure you receive PRCs, Proceed Realization Certificate for foreign payments. Deliver quality and build reputation. Always communicate clearly, ask clarifying questions, and manage client expectation. Avoid over question but keep transparency. Focus on delivering top quality on time and ask clients for feedback and avoid testimonials for fuel your profile's credibility. Improve and scale. Keep learning new tools and trends in your Nike. Add more certifications or produce viewer ready personal projects. As you build experience, raise your rates, take on bigger project or retainer work, and consider focusing on repeat clients and referrals. Why freelance in the US? As of 2023, around 64 million Americans, 38% of the workforce freelanced, contributing nearly $1.3 trillion to the economy. Successful freelancers like Jacqueline DeStefano Tangoro transitioned from corporate to full-time freelance, reaching nearly $470,000 in earning on Upwork by building a consulting firm based technology and data analysis. Freelancing plays a crucial and dynamic role in the US economy and labor market, offering an array of benefits both for individuals and business. Economic impact and workforce share. As of 2023, freelancers made up 38% of the US workforce, a record high of 64 million Americans contributing approximately $1.27 trillion in annual earning to the economy. Drivers of freelancing rise specialized skills and innovation. Nearly 28% of the skill knowledge workers now operate as freelancers, filling expertise gaps in AI, artificial intelligence, data analysis, marketing, and software development. Demographic fueling growth. Freelancing is especially common among Gens 52% and millennials 44%, reflecting a broader shift toward flexibility and self-directed work models. Individual benefits for freelancer, flexibility and autonomy. Many freelancers cite the ability to choose project, work hours and clients as a core reason they prefer independent work. Earning potential. Full-time skilled freelancers reported median income of around $85,000, sometimes out-earning traditional employee in the same field. Career resilience. Those who transition into freelancing often found more income stability, with 75% earning the same or more than before leaving their jobs. Conclusion. Freelancing in the US is no longer just an alternative. It is a powerful and transformative force reshaping modern work. In 2024 and 25, skilled freelancers earn over $1.5 trillions, with 28% of knowledge workers choosing independent career over traditional roles, often earning more than their full-time counterparts with average income around $85,000 per year. As regulation evolve and technology continue to advance, freelancers who embrace specialization, build strong personal brands and leverage AI tools stand to thrive in this fastly growing ecosystem of independent work. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss future freelancing tips and stories from a Pakistani girl in the USA.